Okay. Hi guys. How are you? I think you are fine and well. So today I moving forward the part 2 of NumPy, and previously I just learn you and how to operation our NumPy, and they are some of the uh, basic things I already learned, and I want to move forward to the advanced things on NumPy. So not hesitate to start. So today basically I just learn you in NumPy part 2. So how to create an array which can store the only integer value, and according to this integer which we can change your array size. Let's say in Python the integer value is 4. So according to that we just change the data type of these things, and which or how many bit 32 bit or 8 bit or 16 bit it have taken. So I just change it to the 16, 32 or 64 bit. So I just wanted to see you, then here you can understand properly. So basically I just first I just create an array which can store only integer value. Okay, then same as previous, I just created an array, and the array name is a here. So a equal to, I just created an np. So before that, for connecting the numpy, so here we just import numpy as np. So it basically, if you have install in one system, and you can another day you can just move to the another system. So the system does not know whether it contain numpy or does not contain. So every times you just mark it down. If the numpy is not there, so it basically not work. So you have to import numpy. After that you can continue with numpy operation over the Jupyter notebook. So I just creating like this and doing same things. So after that I just connect numpy into my array. So just mentioning np.array. After that in my array list, so here I just keep these things into the only integer value. So here I just give there are 4 value 10, 20 and 30, 40. And also in before we just do not go through the very depth, but in that part 2 tutorial I just give you more depth into the NumPy or numerical Python functions. So here what I have to do, so I just mentioning another parameter like d type here. Then this mention is my data type is here integer. So I just mentioning d type equal to integer. So here we go. After that I just print same my a. Okay. So after that it just giving the output 10, 20, 30, 50, because I just print my array list of array. So here basically what should I do in after that? So in my zero index, so what value it come here? So I just mentioning 0 here and printing this statement. So 10 will be coming here like that. If I mentioning a index of a 0 of a array equal to, I just mentioning here hello, then it will give me error. Because why it gives the error value here? Because basically I just mentioning here in data type of this array of a is integer. I already declared that things in your parameters. So I cannot override or cannot change my array data type into these things. So here basically what I do, so in my 0th index 10 is present there. How I just change the index number 0 into replacing into character. So here I just putting the hello, but I declare data type as integer. So it does not change anything or does not revert back to the character. It does not contain revert back to the character. It only constant in integer. So this is coming here. So basically it's coming the error. Okay. After that, I just checking my data type of array. So a dot d type. Sorry. Okay. So a dot d type equal to integer 32. So here what is coming? So my main point is that is here data type is equal to integer and this is the 32 bits. So I just convert these things into the integer 8, integer 64, integer 16s like that. So how can it modify the data type value? So I will, let's see. Again, another program I will written. So same things, import numpy is np. After that, I will giving the array name equal to a and just connecting my array np.array equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. And after that, I already talked with you. So in additional parameter, I have to giving some of the special things. So here what I did that I just changed my data type integer 32 into the integer 8. So what should I do? So in my extra parameter, so in my parameter, I just give data type equal to np dot integer 8. So here it coming integer 8 instead of integer 32. So okay, right, things is okay. So I just print, sorry, print double print is there, print a coming here 10, 20, 30, 40, and again I print a dot d type. So here let's see integer 8 is coming, but in previously uh, my data type is integer 32, but when I change into the data type of numpy by the uh, operation over numpy, so it will be changed in the integer 8. So this is the beauty of numpy on Python, and this is mostly important part of data science. When you ever mostly going to the basic to advanced, it will be very useful for your growth. So it is very very important. You just remaining on that thing, and remember just if I forget or left some of the things, please let me comment on this comment box. So the in basically in my next lecture or in futures, I will clear you how to do efficiently. If you like my video and like and subscribe, basically I will happy for that, because so many hard work to making this video. So that's why. Okay, so another coming to the uh, another program in NumPy. So be equal to np.array. Basically I just giving another array name b and connecting to the array. So same things 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so here what I did, d type equal to np dot int 16. So I should already give you things that previously it will become 32, after that it will come in 8, and it will be give integer 16 now. So what to the print statement here. So print A, then print B dot D type here. So yeah, this is the output coming here, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this data type converted into integer 16-bit. Okay. And another things will become, let's say we just print check the another parameter like print um, B dot item size here. So what is the item size here? So it basically the item size is 2. So here my for integer value is there, and uh, this will be coming here. Okay. And also check what is the how many types of item here. So b dot items. Okay. Okay, so this is built-in method item of numpy dot ndarray. Object name is this is the numerical of things. Okay, let's move forward. And according to these things, you can change also another like thing. So I just copy and paste here because I am very lazy to doing typing again same thing. So I just copy paste. But you can practice a bit on to type these things, because whenever you type step by step, then you can only clear which line you will be error or something feel difficult. You will be find out that. So don't in basically when you are a beginner, especially don't go through the copy and paste. Type manually one to one. It will be very efficient for you. Okay, so I just change the my array name into C, and just change the integer 16 into the 64-bit. After that, I just okay, I just run. Then it will be coming 10, 20, 30, 40, and integer. Sorry. Why it is coming? Because I don't change here. So I just change my array name here. Then it will be coming. Okay. So here 10, 20, 30, 40 my print statement, and my data type is equal to integer 64, and item size equal to 8. Okay. Okay, so numpy is going to this type of things. You can exercise more and more like that. And now we must forward into the indexing and slicing part. So how to access those elements into your array. So this is nothing but this is the next topic. So here what I did, how to access okay, I already told you that how to convert it into this heading. So here converted heading is done, and I will just give you some notes here. So basically how to access these things. So basically we are using two operations over the numpy. The first operation is index, and second operation is your slicing. So I just writing here indexing and slicing. Okay. Okay. By the indexing, you can sort out a particular elements in your array, and by slicing you can sort out not a particular elements. These things are coming into the various types of element which are including your array, and there is in 2 points, that is starting point, ending point, and also steps are there. So between your starting point and your ending point, this is called slicing. And indexing is nothing but it is a particular elements of your numpy or array. So this is the things. So I just give you an example how to do that things. So previously, like that, import numpy as np. Then here I just mentioning my array a equal to np dot array, and my inside my array I just giving you some elements like 10, 20, 30 and 40, and just basically we are previously used 10, 20, 30, 40 most of the time. So I just put it another things like 50 is there. Okay, so I just put it 50 for your happiness. And I just here first starting aberrant operation of indexing. I just indexing my 0th position of which element will come. So here before that I just adding a print statement. So here here we find 10. Yeah, good. After that you will also same print a 1 or 20 is coming here. If I give you another task that in -1 which position will come. So basically you just wonder that why -1. So yeah, the -1 it is coming -1. And print a -1, it will be give you 50 because in Python. So what happened from okay, I will give you a note. In Python, from left to right, index number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. And again in Python, from right to left. So index number is -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Okay. So this is not a very difficult things. So like that, you can operation over many functions by indexing and slicing. So now we're moving to the slicing. Okay, then slicing, some of the basic rules here. So what is the rules I have to follow? So I already told you one is starting point, that is start point, and another is stop point, and another is step. First step will be print or access, like that. And here if you skip the step number, so here default step is 1. So I just mentioning default step in slicing is 1. Okay, so basically what comes here. So I just write a one slicing statement, and let's see what coming here. So my array name is A. From my array, I just giving you some hints here. I just giving -1 my step, and again it will be coming. So my step is -1, so it will be moved into the right to left. So here 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 will be coming here. Okay. So another operation over here. So what should I do in into the NumPy? Again, I want to show you another program. It is not basically you just reading and learning some things on data science. It already have an practice. So this is nothing but it is an numerical operation all over on data science. Whenever you go there anywhere, in company, in organizations, you basically you just play on numerical things. So whenever you more practice on it in practical project or in anything, you just learn and forget after 1 to 3 months, 5 months. After that, you have to more depth on that things, then it will be very clear on you and will be help you on futures on your job anywhere. So in my video I just give you some of the examples here, but in your real life you just practice more to more things over on that. Then you will be good to clear with data science, everything like NumPy, and again will be coming on pandas, matplotlib, c1, scikit-learn, like that. Any other tools you it already have. So you just practicing more to more on it, then it will be fine for you. Otherwise it is not very complex, but okay, you have to explore on that because you are a learner or any higher in a job, so you just explore. So here I just mentioning giving uh, in my array, I just another listing my another list, because I just giving this array into the n dimensional array. So in between my list I just putting 10 20 30 10 20 30. After that again I will create another things. After that I will create 70 80, sorry, 70 80 90 here. Okay, then I just print here, print a, it will be coming like that 10 20 30. So here how to know the, which dimensional it have. So basically I already learned you print a dot and dim, it will give you the answer like this 2. So here it is nothing but it will be 2-dimensional. In that things I will give you an slicing operation over here. So I just give a 1 and another 1. So here it will gives me 50, because so here it will be 0 1 2, and here will be 0 1 2, and here will be 0 1 2. So in middle, so it will become like that. So 0 1 means here, and again 0 1 2, it will be here, it will be here, like that. So it gives me 50. If I print another like 2 and giving the slicing number -1, okay. So give me 50. So apart from that things, so I just clear you these things. why it is coming 50? So this is my row and this is my column. So in my row, so this is my 0th row and this is my 1, this is my 2. Okay. So in column also, same is there. This is my 0, this is my 1 and this is my 2. So here I just give you 1 1 because this is 0 and this is 1. So one column is here and one column row is here. So 50 will come. So I will also give you an hint. So here I just give you brief knowledge on that. So basically what it does. Okay. So I just okay, no problem. I just give you 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, sorry for my handwriting, 60. I think it will be okay. So it basically nothing but so 10, 20, 30, 40. So it will coming here. So I just mentioning this thing 0, this thing 1. This thing will be 2. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 2. And again, it also in upper, it will be 1, it will be 0. Again, it will be 1. Again, it will be 2. So here, I just giving the row number is 1 and column number is 1. So in between 50 will be coming here. So that's why in my Jupyter, in my cell also, it will become 50. Okay. So like that, it will be coming into the slicing and indexing. So now I just compare why I use in place of list, why I use NumPy array. So here is the some reason here. So basically, I just compare between list and NumPy array. So first reason is memory. So second is time. This thing. So and also there is a scientific reason here why this NumPy array is very useful according to the list. See here giving some example. So I just like creating my list in as especially in we just created in Python the list things. So I just create a list in Python 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, like that. So I just import here system. So sys and print memory taken by list. I just giving the dynamic types of message here. After that, I will give system dot get size of 10 into 4 bytes. Just give it between. Okay, it will give the syntax error like that. I already give these things. Okay, and now the output will come. Memory taken by the list is equal to 122 bytes. But according to the previous things, I already gives you these things. We can converted these bytes into 16 and 64 and 8 and 32 also, according to your choice. Uh, so I already created this is 2 bytes. So let's compare to the numpy array. So again I just write another code, import numpy as np. After my array name is equal to np dot array. The same things I just give here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here. Okay, nothing will be changed here. And a dot n bytes here. Yeah, it will become 20. And also a dot d type. Yeah, it will come integer 32. But instead of 20 bytes, the list taken 112 bytes. So exceptionally, memory consumption is very high in case of list, and also the running time will be more. But in case of numpy array, it will less take less memory, and also definitely it will be take less time. Now this is for the advantage of these things. Okay. So in NumPy, I just give you another code like there is a complex code like let's say we just defining some time our NumPy. How can I maximize into these things, or we recorded current time like that. So what procedure we can uh, do for that? So I just giving the time. So here a equal to, I just giving the range of this time. So a equal to range, uh, my range, let's say 10 lakhs. So okay, and b also same here, range between, yeah, okay. And my time will be, so for this current importing current time, so we just import time function here. So I just import time here, and mentioning my customize time name equal to t. So here we just calling time dot time function. So it will nothing but it will give you current time is recorded, which time you were created this program. So this time will be recorded here. Okay. And then I just give the range of a equal to a range ten lakhs and b equal to range again 10 lakhs. After that, I just create a empty list where my time will be stored in there. So I just continue my loop for loop. Here I use for loop. So for I in range, I just mentioning 10 lakhs. So here we just giving the same things. So I just giving the 10 lakhs here. I just forgetted the colon here. Without colon, it will give error. So what range will be coming? It will be stored into my C. So I just mentioning or calling the append function here. Append function is nothing but it will be join in empty list or join by the end of the elements or end of the list, end of the array. You can say anything. So it will be join. Append function nothing but it will be join. So it join to the C. In my C is the empty function is there. So C dot append equal to a dot I into b of I, because a and b I just mentioning the range. After that we will be calculating. So my time dot time here. Yeah, minus t is nothing but for the timing or what the actual value will become. So I just use the minus t command here. So it will be basically 0.387044 like that. So for the current timing recorded, so this code will be there, and this is working like that. And also again you can choose another things like here instead of c dot append you just put it c equal to a into b. After that all are same, nothing but. So here I just this is the Python timeline in list, and another is Numpy. I just giving it to the Numpy. So just import Numpy as np. Okay, then same is here. Then we just giving the np dot arrange. So here in Python this is range, and in NumPy it will be arrange. So I just converted into the arrange method. After that in C it will be converted into the a into b. It will be converted into the a into b like that. After that in these things I will remove these things, and let's try into that. Let's run. It will be coming like 0.00018 like that. So it will more effective because for NumPy it will be time taken. So basically what I see you something like I just giving you the memory size here. Before like that it will be taking 122 by 112 bytes, but in NumPy it will be give 20 bytes. And also I just mentioning you the timing that it will be take less time according to the list. So here I just already proved you that it take less time. according to NumPy. So NumPy is very good for data science. It will be take less time, less memory. Okay, so I think it will be clear why I use NumPy instead of list. So this is my right answer for you. Okay. Let's move another things. So basic mathematical operation over NumPy. So what is this operation like that? So in every languages, so there is operator are there, arithmetic operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, like that. But in your data science, basically in NumPy, so there are like some difference over on that. So we just show you how it is behave like this. So here the basic mathematical operation on NumPy. So I just create a NumPy array and connect to the NumPy and p dot array. Okay, give it 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Yeah, it will be fine. And another like that. So if I adding plus 1 into my array of a हाँ किधर किधर तो ଅଛି ତ ଛୁଟି ଆଉ ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ଆଉ ଏ ମାସରେ ଛୁଟି ଫୁଟି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଯାଇନି ଆଗ ମାସ 15 ତାରିଖ ଛୁଟି ଅଛି ତ ଆଗ ମାସ ତ 15 ତାରିଖ ତୁ ବି ଯେମିତି ଆସିବୁ ଇଏ କରିବୁ ଆସିଗଲା ବାକି ଏ ମାସ ଯାଏ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲି ଆସେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଛୁଟି ଛୁଟି ନେଇଛି ଛୁଟି ନାହିଁ କଣ ଭାସିଗଲା କାମ ତ ଯାହା ଦେଇଥିଲା କରିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଆଲା ଆଉ ଯାହା ଟିକେ କାମ ଅଛି ବାସ ହେଲା ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଶନିବାର ରବିବାର କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଗୋଟେ ଛୁଟି ନେଇନି କଦଳୀ କେହି ତ ନାହାନ୍ତି ରୁଚି ସୋମବାର ପାଖରୁ ଆସିବେ ସୁରେଶକୁ କହିଦେଲି ସୁରେଶ ତ ଛୁଟି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ ଭାସିଗଲା ହଁ ମୁଁ ପଲିସି ପାଇଁ ଘରକୁ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏରକମ ବୁଲିକି ଆସିବି 298 ଟା ଟିକେଟ ପଡିଛି ଏରକମ ବି କାଟିଦେଲି ଆଉ କେହି ନାହିଁ ଲୋକ କେହି ମୁଁ ଜନଶତାବ୍ଦୀ ଅଛି ଅଛି ସବୁ ଅଛି ନା ମୁଁ ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ତତେ ଦେଖା କରତେ ଯିବିନି ତୁ ବହୁତ ହଉଛୁ হ্যাঁ কিዛ ଫ୍ରକ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବୁ ହଁ ତ କଣ ହବ ମୁଁ ଡେଇଁ ପଡିବି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଉପରେ ହଉ ହଁ ମୁଁ ରୁମକୁ ଯାଏ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଭିଡିଓଟା ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲି ତ ମୁଁ ତା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଅଛି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିଦେବି ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ରୁମକୁ ଯାଇ କଥା ହେବି ହଁ ତ କାମ ଫାମ ସରିଛି ସବୁ ସେ ବି କାମ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାମ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କାମ ନା ସେଇ କାମର ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ବାସ୍ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓଟା ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ପକେଇଦିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହଉ ହଉ ମୁଁ ରଖିଦେନି ପରେ କଥା ହେବି ବାଏ okay here the basic mathematical operation over NumPy in very different according to the other languages so here behavior is very different so let's see how it will be working. So basically what I did now, so in my b variable, so I just put it +1 here, and then what it will be do, print p here. So here basically it go to the my array of A and searching the first of the least element and adding by +1. So it will coming 11. 10 plus 1 is nothing but 11, and again going to the second element like 20 and adding to the +1, 21, 31, 41, 51, like that. If 50 after 50, but it will be checked next element, but here next element is not there. So if next element is empty, then it will be out of the loop and print my statement. Okay, so here print statement will become here. And next, if I print a into 5, then it will be coming like this: 10 into 5 equal to 50, 20 into 5 100, 30 into 5 150, 200, 250, like that. Okay, again print np dot sum of a, so it will 150. So basically what it will converted, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it in all included sum. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50, it will be come into the result of 150. So like of that, we just adding my numpy array using the sum method. And again I print another things like print np dot product of a. So it will be coming like that. So it will product all of the list like that: 10 into 20 into 30 into 40 and 50. So it will be coming output here. And again I just print np dot max of a. It will coming 50. You just use these types of inbuilt function, it will be very working easily in data science. So in Python there are so many open source is there, you can use it, and in fraction of second you will be get output. So I just print another things like np dot mean of a, then it will be giving 10. This is not big deal. And another inbuilt function like np dot sqrt of a, it is nothing but the square root of these things. So the square root of 10 equal to 3.16, like that. 20 of square root is 4.472, like that. So it will be coming here. Okay, so this is the things I just share with you, and some of the things I just completed with you now. So 10, 20, 30, if I just checking the sum of these things 10, 20, 30, so it will give you true. But if I just giving the equal to sign, so it will giving us error, because if I giving if I check equal to, then you just use the signs of equal to, then it will be giving you true or false as per the condition, and like that, no problem. So the different and another things will be coming here. There are different ways to create numpy array. So there are so many ways are there. So in between, just share you Another thing is array, and second is arrange. I already told you that things. And third of lane space. Okay, I will give an example later on, but currently you just remember these of the things. So another things are zeros here, and I think this is the last one. Ones. Okay. So this is the things I just already share you with you, and after this video I will share on another like what is the uses of arrange, what is the uses of lane space, what is the uses of zeros, ones, like that. Or I just giving you some more depth on what is the plus arithmetic sign, minus arithmetic sign, into arithmetic sign, divided arithmetic sign. And also I just give you an example of a at the rate of b, like that. This is a metric multiplication. Okay, so like that I will give you another example in my next video, that is numpy part 3, numpy part 4 basically. So okay, so stay tuned on this video, and remember I already created all-in-one video in my YouTube channels, so you can go there and check it out, all of the things. If you any doubt coming, you will ask me on chat, or you can ping me on my mail ID. That is, I just give you my mail ID here. Stack next cube any xtcube.org@gmail.com. Okay, so this is my mail ID basically. Okay, you just ping me any questions, or in comment section also you just ping me. Not worry, stay tuned on this video or till last. I will regularly update you on the video to complete the data science journey. After that, you will be right positions or right skill to define yourself as a data scientist or machine learning engineer, data analyst, like that type of things. And currently the scenario is very changed, and this is currently market on the IT industry, so you can crack the job fraction of seconds. Not a worry that. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye. See you next.